Some throws just look unreal, where the disc seems to keep pushing forward long after it leaves the hand. Moments like that always make people wonder what kind of driver can help reach those kinds of distances. So in this video, I'm walking through the best disc golf distance drivers and what makes each one fit different styles and situations. Each driver has its own strengths, so staying through the full video will help you see which one lines up with what you're looking for. The links to every disc are in the description if you want to check them out later. And if this helps you out, feel free to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. If anything comes to mind, the comment section is there. With that said, let's move into the reviews. Number 5, Prodigy D3. Coming in at number 5. This one brings a really interesting mix of speed and control. It's built to push forward with a strong glide, and the moment it flips up, it holds a steady line without drifting too far off. I like how it works for both backhand and forehand throws, so it fits a wide range of players, even if someone is still getting their form dialed in. With a speed rating of 13, glide at 6, turn at -2, and fade at 2, it leans into long flights with a gentle finish that doesn't crash too hard at the end. The weight sits in the range of 170 to 174 grams, which feels right for a distance driver like this. It uses a premium plastic blend that has a slightly gummy feel, giving a strong grip, even if the disc gets wet. Over time, the material can break in, which some people enjoy since it can change the flight in small ways. A few reviewers mentioned that their disc flew more like a different model, so the flight might shift a bit depending on how much it's broken in. Color and stamp designs can come in different combinations, and there's just one size range for this run. It suits both right and left-handed throwers and works well for a wide mix of skill levels. Number 4, Innova DX Boss Distance Driver. Taking the 4th spot, this one brings a lighter feel right away since it sits in the 140 to 150 gram range. That lower weight helps it jump out of the hand fast, and with a speed rating of 13, glide at 5, turn at -1, and fade at 3, it aims for long flights with a steady finish. Players who like throwing hard or leaning into sidearm shots often talk about how dependable it feels once it gets moving. The flight usually starts with a small turn, giving it a bit of extra stretch before the fade kicks in. It can handle full power throws and even some headwind situations without getting too wild. There's a fun bit of history tied to this line too, since a version of it played a part in a record throw that reached over 863 feet. That gives you an idea of what this style of driver is meant to do. It's made with a baseline plastic blend, which has a grippy feel but can get dinged up more quickly than premium materials. Some people actually like that, since the flight can change as the disc breaks in. Reviewers point out that lighter weights soar really well, and a few even said they went back to pick up more after trying one. Colors vary from disc to disc, and the maker accepts requests for weight or color, though nothing is guaranteed. Suitable for all ages and both throwing hands, it fills that fast distance role nicely. Number 3, Latitude 64 Zero Gravity Bolt. Landing in the 3rd spot, this one stands out because of how light it is. With weights running from 120 to 130 grams, it takes much less effort to get it moving, which helps newer players or anyone with a slower arm speed. The flight numbers show a speed rating of 13, glide at 6, turn at -2, and fade at 3, giving it a smooth, easy-to-control path. The disc leans understable, so it works great for hyzer flips, long turnovers, and gentle shaping shots. As it wears in, it can become even more understable, which some players use to create rollers or long drifting throws. One of the neat things about this one is that it floats in water, so a throw over a pond feels a little less risky. The plastic is a low-density blend that keeps the weight down and makes it easier to throw, especially on cooler days or in wet conditions, since the grip stays steady. It's not as tough as premium materials, and some users mention that hitting trees can make it beat in quicker, but that can change the flight in ways some players like. Reviews often talk about how much extra distance people get with very little effort. It comes in multiple colors like orange, turquoise, white, pink, and yellow, and it's built with a wider rim to help keep the glide going. Perfect for backhand shots, and a great pick for players who want something that feels easy to control right away. Number 2, Discraft Paul Macbeth ESP Zeus. Taking the 2nd spot, This one brings that heavier tournament weight feel, sitting in the 173 to 174 gram range. It's built for long throws, and a lot of players talk about how far it can reach once it's given a clean release. The premium plastic blend gives it a steady grip, and the flight stays consistent whether it's thrown backhand or forehand. The flight pattern tends to be fast and confident, and many reviewers mention hitting 350 feet or more without struggling for control. It starts out straight with a bit of turn and then finishes with a dependable fade that doesn't yank too hard. Some stronger throwers say the plastic can feel a little flippy at high speeds, so newer players may find it more forgiving, while advanced players might need a moment to adjust to the turn. The disc comes in different colors like red, black, and a mix of other combinations, all featuring a signature stamp from a well-known player. That adds a bit of flair for collectors or anyone who likes to represent a favorite pro. The durability gets praised often, with people saying it holds up throw after throw. There are rare mentions of slight warping from shipping, but that seems uncommon. Most reviewers talk about accuracy, smooth launches, and feeling like it becomes one of their most trusted distance options once they get the release right. Number 1. Axiom Discs Proton Insanity. Claiming the top spot, this one brings a mix of speed and control that feels different from the higher speed drivers earlier in the list. With a speed rating of 9, glide at 5, turn at -2, and fade at 1.5, it leans into that stable understable sweet spot that a lot of players look for when they want a long, straight flight without fighting the disc the whole way. For throwers with average power, it tends to fly very straight with just a gentle turn. Players with stronger arms talk about clean flip lines and being able to shape turnovers with confidence. The glide keeps it pushing forward, which helps on low-ceiling shots where you can't throw too high but still want distance. The plastic is a premium, durable blend that holds up well, even if it clips a tree now and then. It comes in mystery colors, so the exact look can vary, and the translucent shades can sometimes blend into grass, which a few reviewers point out. The disc is offered in multiple weight ranges, from 155 up to 175 grams, giving players a chance to pick what feels right. Reviewers mention that it stays consistent over time, with flight numbers that match what's printed. Many people say it becomes a must-have disc for both backhand and skilled forehand shots, and plenty reorder it if they ever lose one. So that wraps up the breakdown. Each option brings its own feel, and the right fit depends on what you're trying to get out of your throws. If anything caught your interest, the links are waiting in the description. And if this helped you out, feel free to like the video, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss anything. If you've got thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments, and you can check out my other videos if you want more guides like this. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.